16 years ago, I was a single dad. I was broke, I was tired, and I was trying to figure out how to support my 4-year-old daughter without giving up every waking hour to a job that I hated. So one night I was working at a restaurant and I was working as a server, and I asked a fellow server, I was like, "Hey, what do you do for fun?" And he was like, "Well, I sell books online." And I laughed. I was like, "That's fun." He's like, "Yeah, come on over. I'll show you. I'll tell you." So I was curious. So that night I went to his house and he showed me everything. He showed me how to list books on Amazon, how to ship them, how to reprice them, do everything. And I was hooked. I was like, okay, I'm doing this. But I said to him, I was like, "Hey, how do you get all these books?" And then he said, "Well, you got to drive around to thrift stores, estate sales, all that kind of stuff and buy the books." The same thing that people teach how to do today, 16 years later. And I thought, there has to be a better way. There has to be. And there is. See, I created a system called Book Sourcing Mastery, where I teach you how to turn on what I call your book sourcing faucet. Now, what is a book sourcing faucet? It's a never-ending flow of free, profitable books right from your local community. I teach you how to turn on your own for-profit donation center where you get free book pickups, free books from your local community through free book pickups that are either delivered right to your front door or you go around and pick them up right from other people's front door, right in your local community. And I teach you how to do it using a simple flyer, just like this one, and a smart strategy called EDDM, or Every Door Direct Mail from the post office. So inside this program that I teach, Book Sourcing Mastery, it's a school community that you can join. Link is in the description. What is it? You're going to get everything that I've learned, my full step-by-step program, the whole system. You have done for you flyer templates like the one that you just saw. There's weekly live Q&A sessions and calls with me. And even more, there's a powerful group of sellers who are turning on their faucets right alongside you. Now, you know, like I do, that if you sell books and you get them by bulk and you get a whole bunch of them or you're doing pickups, not every one of them are going to be able to be sold online. They're just not all profitable for online sales. So what do you do with these things called duds? Many booksellers will either, one, throw them away. Don't do that because that's not good, putting books in landfills. Or you can recycle them, or you can give them away to, like, go to libraries, thrift stores, or little free libraries and give those away. But I say don't do any of those. Well, give them away is good, but don't do that. Why? Because you can do what I do. I run my own book sale, not in some rented place, which you can, but do it right from your driveway, right from your front yard, and you can crush them. See, one member in our group, they had ran their very first book sale and they made $2,500 that very first sale. Another guy, he ran his first book sale and he brought in $9,000 on his very first sale. And the sales that I run, I've been doing them now for 15 years. I've been doing them where now we've grown, don't get me wrong, where we put out 50,000 books at a time. And each one of these sales, they generate over $50,000 in revenue, really, in net, in 3 times a year. It's awesome. So you can start today with a 7-day free trial. There's no contracts, there's no pressure, and you can cancel anytime. So if you're tired of chasing money and you're ready to build something real, something, that works from home, this is your moment. So click the link below in the description, turn on your faucet, and I'll see you inside.